Empyrea. What's up, Jam fam? So today there's a new June update, so let's check it out. Wow, there's so many new things. So first, there's the Siamese cat bundle. It comes with a naughty knit outfit and exclusive Twilight outfit. There's now the Pet Sitter Pro, which keeps assigned pets cared every day so you play worry-free for members. There is a Design a Pet contest using the painting activity to design a pet AJ might bring to the game. That is so cool. There is now pet adoption tokens which you can use to receive a random pet. That is so exciting. There are now space items coming to Jama with space-themed accessories and den items. Pet stations are for everyone. Also, the in Jama Exploratorium is now open. I really want to go see that. And the summer carnival is back. Finally, the Firefly Frenzy pack run is also back for June. Okay, let's go check all of these updates out. So I'm here in the Sapphire shop and now I will buy the bundle. Gosh, this cat is so cute. Here is what the naughty knit outfit and exclusive Twilight outfit looks like on the Siamese cat. The new actions are so cute as well. Now I'm gonna try the Pet Sitter Pro for 300 sapphires. Let's buy it. So it looks like you can put up to 5 pets in each Pet Sitter Pro. It will take care of 5 of your pets. And you can do this once a day. That is so useful. And now I'm checking out the theater in the Exploratorium. Wow, this is so cool. It even has 3 educational videos already there for you to watch. Okay, now I just can't wait, so let's check out the Firefly Frenzy pack run. This is so fun to play with your pack. So that's everything for this update today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below which part of the update was your favorite. Also, I want to quickly just say thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. We recently reached 1,000. I'm so incredibly happy that the Jam Fam is growing so much. Bye, Jam Fam!